What's good, YouTube? I'm Robert with the Crosscut Creations channel. Today we're going to take care of the scraps in my shop, or at least some of them anyway, with just a rip cut and a cross cut. Let's go. That's right. With only a rip cut and a cross cut, I was able to batch out a bunch of different pen blanks since I am a pen turner. You could cut your blanks to your desired dimension. If you turn other things or do other small projects, it's completely up to you. But that's one way to make use of the scraps in your shop. Now I don't have to go hunting for blanks as much anymore, and it's just an easy way to organize my scraps and make better use of them. Thanks for hanging out with me today. I want to remind you that I am on Patreon under Crosscut Creations. I'll leave a link in the description below if you feel like supporting me that way. There are a few different tiers that you can be a patron of. Also, if you like the video, if you could give it the thumbs up, comment on the video, subscribe to the channel, share the video. That would be greatly appreciated. We'll see you next time.